Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. I have been having so much fun doing these, I have to just say, and today's video is going to be no different because I'm actually going to do holiday cookies. We're going to bake them, obviously, and then decorate them, which is the best part, even though, as we've learned from the gingerbread houses, a little reminder, you need a refresh. Definitely not the best cookie decorator, but I'm gonna try to redeem myself today, okay? It's also going to be pretty fun because my sister is actually coming over to help along with my mom and her dog. So we'll see the chaos that ensues there, but I actually had like a little plan to wear matching outfits with my sister because I got these cute little sets in from Feet Clothing. So I'll have hers ready for when she comes over. I figured we could be like a little matching because it's right on theme with today's book review. But the only thing is they came with really cute little shorts, but it's so chilly that I'm wearing leggings. But yeah, like I said, these are from Feet Clothing. They actually gave me a 50% off discount code for the holiday season, which is a crazy deal. This is like their blanket fabric. It literally feels like a blanket. It's super soft and cozy. So I'll leave my little discount code here and a link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But on to today's book, The Holiday Swap. So this is my second book from the author Maggie Knotts, my second Christmas book by her. And this one is actually two twin bakers. One is on like a reality TV baking show, and the other is back home at a family bake shop. So twin bakers, but different lives and different styles of baking. So the one on the reality TV show, she ends up getting in an accident and she's like, girl, we gotta do a little switcheroony, Mary-Kate and Ashley side. But this book was definitely like a cheesy Hallmark vibe. Personally, with this book and Maggie's other book, it was about a singing competition reality TV show. I realized that I don't really like reading about that. I didn't really enjoy reading about all of the singing in the first one, and then with this one, I'm not really interested in baking, which is, you know, funny because that's what we're going to be doing today, but I don't know. So this was a little bit slow for me. I found myself like leafing through it. The book is sweet enough. I would probably give it like 3 stars. And don't get me wrong, I love a cheesy Christmas book. I love a Hallmark movie, but this one it didn't do it for me. It wasn't my favorite. The like love interests were very surface level. I get really frustrated when characters in books just like could solve simple problems by just communicating to each other. So this was frustrating. I've just already read really good holiday books so far that this one was just kind of bleh to me. The concept is definitely cute, but I think it comes down to I don't really know if I like Maggie Knotts' writing style. I don't think it's for me. But anyways, let me show you guys what I have ready before my family arrives. Okay, so I set out a bunch of different icings, frostings, and some Christmas sprinkles. We're gonna try to make little Christmas tree shaped brownies. So I got these star sprinkles to put as the star in the Christmas tree. We'll see. I'm like really nervous about it. And then I have all my cookie cutters here. Chocolate chips. I'm gonna try to do little buttons on my gingerbread guys, and then flour for when we roll out the dough. And then I have like the same little hot cocoa bar going on from my last video with the Christmas movie night. So I'm hoping my sister will try out this peppermint hot cocoa and let me know what she thinks. But I think I'm going to stick to regular old cocoa and totally busting out one of these again. These are so good. So if you missed my last video, these are little hot cocoa toppers. This is like caramel sea salt with chocolate, and then the marshmallow melts right into the cocoa. I know we are going to be baking so many cookies today, but I have leftover cookies in here also from last video. So I'm just going to be fully stocked on cookies after this. So I have some leftover cookies from the movie night, just the little snowman ones, but we're mostly going to be working with these sugar cookies. I'm gonna let them sit out, so hopefully they're not super hard, because every year I always have a really hard time like rolling these out and getting them how I want them to be, so we'll see. And then Christmas tree brownies. So do you think you're hiding? Were you hiding? What are you doing? You guys, look, my mom brought over some snackies. So I tried to lay them out on my cute little charcuterie board, but it's not very fancy, so be nice. Mom's here. And Mackenzie in the matching sweater. Okay, so we're starting with our sugar cookies first. I always have a really hard time like molding these because they're so hard. But I have flour there so you can, I don't know, dust it. I only have one rolling pin and it's this teeny tiny one, so we'll just have to make do, I suppose. Guys, our cookies are absolutely terrifying. I'm very scared. Okay, our cookies came out massive and terrifying. So we are shaping them with the original cookie cutters to try to get them back under control. Also, these might like completely be not cooked, but that's fine. The other ones are like overcooked. We just made brownies and popped those in the oven. We're gonna try to make Christmas trees out of them, so we'll see how that goes.
Timer on for the brownies.
I did put a timer on. Did you get
the things? Is that what you do?
Yeah. So I got all the.
This dude actually looks good.
I think you're gonna be too big.
So small making this. If you want me to make it this small?
I don't know. Yeah, because look how big they got last time.
We'll just do it right
There's this one might turn out better.
there. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited.
I'm sorry.
No, that's not me.
Don't forget to shake it up.
What happens
And then
to
you
the,
practice it on the thing first.
Yeah. I think you have to cut your
Shit.
ends. I don't think you're supposed to cuss in the middle of the video.
This is so far gotten so second. These are just blobs. They were stars at the start.
Well, at least it doesn't look like mom's.
Wait, I already did a heart. Do I want the big heart?
Yeah. Make it into
Turn it
like,
into a butt. I'm serious. Put it white and then put the crack with the black.
you have to go upside down.
Even.
You can't be licking your fingers and decorating cookies.
It wasn't on my finger. It was on the outside of it.
She's licking.
She just licked. I just watched her.
Did you lick?
I've been licking the whole time.
No.
How do I make a butt?
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Toss it over.
And he's cute.
Look at him!
I like the googly eyes.
Oh! Is it Patrick? What is going on over here? It's like, I don't know. It looks like a hairy bush. Show it. What is it supposed to be? Is it supposed to be a bush?
Well, if we flip it upside down.
I thought it was Patrick's star.
I still don't know what we're going for.
I don't either.
Okay.
It's my own little cookie monster.
Is it just half a face? Oh my lordy.
You're licking and then continuing to decorate.
Well, who's eating these? Us.
Make sure you eat the bush monster.
I don't want that looking
No.
bush.
This is my ornament.
Can you see it? Okay. That is like a toxic waste. They look like little butt cheeks.
Let me see.
Oh my god, why is that spray all over me?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's does, I guess.
Okay, Hazel, you're crazy. A little butt with a mom tattoo.
We'll have to take a picture of us two standing next to it.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Okay, here are some of our cookies. Some better than others. And there's chaos below.
Look so greedy.
Oh my, what do you want from me? You guys are nuts. You're nutty. I got this cute little 10 from Target so that we can take the cookies home. Well, you guys can. Cute. Okay, we got our brownies. I think I'm just going to cut it with a knife, like into triangles and see. Should I start with the middle? I made it in a big pan in case we mess up. But maybe they're not thick enough now that I think about it. Okay. I have it in the freezer if that will make it easier to cut. I don't know, but we also have these in case we can't cut it right, and hopefully that will help. Okay, we're cutting out the trees. This was the first attempt. Hideous, but definitely better from the freezer. This one's good. This is a good square. The hardest part is getting them out.
Yeah.
But these will be easier to decorate because we're not going to... I'll show you guys the Pinterest photo that I am trying to recreate. That's cute. No, but that's fine because once we put frosting and the star, and we can make it pointy. Look! That is cute!
Oh my god, my hair's so black. Well,
yeah, mine looks dark in here too. Okay. You keep cutting, you're the cutter. This is kind of the vibes that we're going to attempt to recreate. Wish us luck on this journey.
Small green one, so it'll be easy to do that.
Yeah, I got little stars. All right, you guys. Can I have a drink? Refreshing. Listen, this one, obviously we used a cookie cutter, but it is stunning.
Yeah.
And also this one is pretty triangular. So we're gonna try to do these, okay? Stunning.
Yours is so cute.
We made the cutest little brownies.
Yours is like super good.
No, this is adorable. Okay, here's our little trees. They are so cute. I think next time we try it, we're going to use a square tray instead of a rectangle. I thought that the rectangle would be good because then we'd have more, but to make them like thicker and easier to cut, I think a square tray is better.
Yeah, because my best one was a thick one.
Yeah, yeah. But I do like the little triangles. So maybe like a little triangle cookie cutter for next time, I don't know. But they're very, very cute. Take one. No, not a piece of cheese. Take a cracker. Take a cracker. He went for the cheese. Okay, so we just finished up the cookies and the brownies and we cleaned up the counters a little bit. Lots to do, but I feel like it was successful.
Yeah.
The cookies taste good. We're not decorators, but we try. We never give up. Also, the Christmas trees were the highlight.
Yeah.
We definitely gotta try it again because that is so cute.
Yeah, we did.
And the brownies taste really good.
We did good on this.
Yeah. But yeah, I think we're going to head out to Dutch Bros on the way to drop this little lady off at home, and then we'll skedaddle. Going for a ride? We going for a ride? Hey guys, we are ending our cookie making day with a little treat. Oh my god, I popped the curb. Okay. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys. We're heading out. Okay, bye.